4.7 5% of a number. I can calculate discounts and increases.
Thank you, Koijan. The I can statement was calculating tax, tip, discounts, and increases. We're getting there, right?
Yes.
Some of you are there, right?
Yes.
Okay, so an increase means you are adding. A discount means you are or taking away, right? What does that mean?
Multiply.
So anytime you see the word of in a mathematical context, you know that you should multiply, right?
Yes.
And what does is mean?
Equal.
Sliding on down. So because you now know all of that, and if I ask you what is 4% of 12, the what is what we're trying to solve, right?
Yes.
Kevin, eyes up here. So we use x as the answer. What does is mean?
Equal.
So is means equal. I'm going to skip 4% for a second. What does of mean?
Multiply.
12 means
12.
12. 4%. What do we say about percents? They are
Stupid.
stupid. That means percents can't calculate. Percents can't calculate. So we need to change them to a decimal. And how do you change a percent to a decimal? 2 places to the left. So 4% is really 0.04, right? Okay. So now, if we have x equals 400ths times 12, we can really just punch that into our calculator, can't we?
Yes.
X equals, what's the answer? What?
4,800.
I'm up here. The video's up here. Yasmin's video's up here. Okay? I'm going to skip B. Same problem. Real life. Real life examples. I'm going to skip to number 7. Actually, I'm going to look at our cheat sheet. It's easier to read. You have to know this. On the count of 3, we're going to read this together. 1, 2, 3.
To find discount tickets tax, find the percent of the number and add or subtract from the total.
So you're going to add if it's a tip or a tax or an increase. You're going to subtract if it's a discount or a sale or a decrease, right? So we have a $120 jacket on the sale rack. I'm sorry, on the rack for sale. It is taxed at 7%. We have to find 7% of our number. 7% of 120, right? Why did I say this is 7%, by the way?
Because it's 7%.
Is 700 the same as 7%?
Yes.
And can we ever use percents to calculate?
No.
So 120 times 0.07 is 840. The question is, do we add 840 or do we subtract 840 from 120? What do we do?
Add.
Why do we add?
Because it's tax.
It's a tax. So what is 120 plus 840?
128.
$128 and
40 cents.
40 cents. We should be able to read that. Look at number 7. Same exact problem, except we're taking the $120 jacket and we're applying a discount. What's the discount? How much?
15%.
Which is really 1,500. And if you multiply them together, you get what?
18.
And should I subtract 18 from 120 or should I add 18?
Subtract.
Questions?